Hello everyone and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. Also, if you want to regularly hear from us, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon. Trust me, we bring a lot of informative videos solely designed for you. So, let's get started. You promise yourself every time that this academic year you'll do better or you'll be very productive. However, that is short lived. Why? Because the monster named distraction gobbles you up. Doesn't it happen every day you promise yourself to be very productive? Yes, it does. Trust me, we are all sailing in the same boat. Okay, so this monster called distraction spares none of us, right? So today in this video, we are going to discuss tips and tricks that are going to help you definitely fight back this monster and defeat it. So let's get started. Number 1, set up $1 million study routine. So the first and the very important tip is to get started. How do you get started? By setting up $1 million study routine. Okay, it is very important to know how you will go about it. Okay, so first is create a weekly routine. Second, identify the most productive time of the day, right? Then third is follow up at the end of the day, and number 4 is revise the timetable if needed. So all these steps are very important. It's you who will decide which time of the day works the best for you. All right, if it's during the noon, then feel free to study during that time. If it's early morning, then feel free to study that time, right? Just divide your study into chunks and make sure that you create goals that you can achieve, all right? Don't create goals that you cannot achieve, right? So your goals have to be very realistic. Okay, number 2 and very important, we live in the world of buzzes and pings, right? Every time we sit and decide that today I am going to focus, it's 12 p.m. now and I am going to study for 1 hour continuously without any distractions. But then this friend of yours, which you call phone or smartphone, starts his dance of distraction, right? And he tells you, ping, you have a new notification. Buzz, XYZ added a new story. Ping, XYZ posted a new picture. YouTube, have you watched a new video of Bacha? Buzz, you have a new snap. And what do? Yes, master, you pick up your phone and start scrolling. And then later you realize that you have wasted the entire time that you had decided you would dedicate solely to your studies. So what do? You silent your notifications in order to save you from that distraction, right? Be very productive, but being productive means silencing your notification phone detox, okay? You can watch your favorite reels later. I'm not saying that you should not. You can do it, but later, okay? When it's your study time, be very focused, all right? Next thing you can do is add a green element to your desk. So number 3 is adding a green element to your desk, and it works wonders. But how do you do that? So let's start by decluttering. You know, whenever you have a lot of things around you, you feel very irritable, right? You don't feel like studying. The old sticky notes and all the garbage around you. So what do? You start by decluttering. Organize your space, okay? Make it appealing to your eyes, okay? Appealing to your mind, right? So you declutter everything, organize your desk, keep the minimal possible, right? And then also add your favorite plant to it. So that plant is going to be your friend during the tough times of your studies. Okay, and then the last one but not the least one is don't give in to your hunger pangs, right? Eat rainbow food. If you eat burgers and pastas and pizzas, you are only and only going to feel sleepy, right? So don't do that. Eat rainbow food. What do I mean by rainbow food? So it means that you should add a lot of seeds into your diet. Maybe the pumpkin seeds or chia seeds, right? Add those seeds into your diet. Add a lot of fruit into your diet. Maybe oranges and papayas and anything, okay? Just make sure that everything that you eat should be able to nurture your mind, okay? Should be able to make you more productive and energetic. Why? Because of the following reasons. Now, what happens when you eat healthy and what happens when you eat unhealthy? So let us compare right now. So when you eat healthy, you know, nobody has to tell you, right? You learn better. You have higher grades. Why do you have higher grades? Because you are able to learn better. You're able to retain better. You have better memory. You're energetic all the time and you have good mood, right? But when you eat unhealthy food, your learning ability becomes really poor. It does not support you at all, right? Because you are not helping yourself by eating healthy food, right? So you have to eat healthy food in order to achieve your goal, okay? And then moving on to the last one is you should be able to reward yourself. Yes, you are your own best friend. You should know how to keep yourself happy, right? So don't wait for others to reward you. Don't wait for others to treat you and tell you you did great today. Tell yourself the same. Pat your back and tell yourself that you have done a great job today, and that is why you deserve a break. Take a nap. Take a powerful nap, okay? Play your favorite game, meet your buddies, give them a call, ask them to meet up or catch up, okay? Buy yourself your favorite ice cream. Remember that you deserve all of it, right? So every time you have done a great job, maybe you have solved the mock paper in time or you have written the essay without any grammatical errors and you have been able to memorize the entire history lesson with exact dates, then yes, kudos to yourself, okay? Kudos to you. You have done a great job, okay? So take a nap, play your favorite game, meet your buddies, buy yourself an ice cream because you deserve it. I have reiterated this point again and again, right? So over here we come to the end of this session, end of this video. I hope that these tips are really going to help you in life. All the best for your exams, okay? Nail your exams, crack them, be proud of yourself. Happy learning, achieve, repeat. Bye-bye everyone. Take care.